On everybody, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. I had somebody the other day say they couldn't find the fittings at Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace, everywhere else. This is what you need. You need a 3/4 inch hose. It's female hose thread, FHT, MIP, which is just standard thread, the 1/2 inch. Now, if you can find this already 1/4 inch, fantastic. If not, so be it. Then we got a 1/2 inch female right there, FIP, and then 1/4 inch female. So then we'll just put a male coupler, 1/4 inch, into this. So screw that in there. Put your, with your coupler on the outside, put your J-rod, and then you've got your hose set up. That's it. Just 2 pieces. Let's see. The one was $7.19, or sorry, yeah, $7.19, and then this 3/4 1/2 inch was, I believe right here, $4.68. So again, these 2 fittings, $12, and you've got your adapter. There we go.